This older rental house, for some reason, was built with zero forms of ventilation in the roof and caused moisture to be trapped between the drywall and the roof, causing some mold and obvious warping of the interior drywall of the attic. Our solution was to start with ripping out all of the old drywall and all of the old insulation. We then headed up to the roof, where we removed the roof cap and created a gap at the ridge for air to enter. We then put ridge vents across the top and put new asphalt caps on top of them. We then went inside to the exposed roof framing and sprayed all of the mold and areas of concern with a mold killer and a preventer. Then we painted a layer of sealant primer over those spots, and after fixing cracked boards in the roof, we put foam insulation barrier between the roof and the insulation to allow airflow from the eaves to the ridge. We installed all the insulation, and then began our drywall work. We tried to do the job as cheap as possible, so we got creative with our drywall work. After all the drywall was put up, we mudded the seams, and then we decided to mix mud with a Kills primer to put a good textured first layer of paint and mud. This saved us time and a big mess with using a texturing gun. We put a second layer of textured mud with a textured roller and a texturing tool to get the desired result. We then put up some trim and caulked all the portions of drywall and holes to make sure it's as seamless as possible. We then put vents in the eaves to create airflow, which had a dramatic difference in air temp in the attic. This is the final result.